Hi everyone, welcome to my another session of SQL Server. So in this session we will mostly work with the strings, so we can perform a multiple operations on the string. We can split the string based on a particular character. We can left trimming, we can do right trimming. So we can take a particular set of characters from the left side, right side, from the middle. So we will go through these 8 scenarios one by one. Okay, so let's first check the from the left side. Okay, so we will work on the extracting the characters from the left, okay, from this table. So this is basically a formula that we can use this left keyword, specify column and number of characters to extract from the left side of the string. Let's check the query. Select left. From the below section I will use name from trivial employee. Okay, here it is giving compiler error. So it is asking till how many characters. If I specify 5, it will take first 5 characters from this name for all the records. So these are the 5 characters from all this. Okay, if I specify 50, it will return everything because this range is coming below 50. Let's see what happens if I specify 0. Yeah, nothing because no characters. So this is how you can use a left. It will retrieve the text from the left side of the data. Similarly, I will say for the right section. Now instead of left, I will say right. Let's copy this. Here it will say right side of the string. I will say right. Let's first check the table. So it is from the right hand side. Yeah, if I specify 6, seven, okay, it will return total characters from the right side of the string. If I say 50, it will return everything. Say 0, nothing. Okay, so this is how left and right works in SQL Server. After that we will see from the middle. Let me copy from the middle. So there is no middle keyword for this, so instead we need to use a substring. Okay, so for substring we have this substring. So what basically substring is, like we have to specify a column name. Okay, then we have to specify start position and position relative to start position. Okay, suppose this is a string. So if I want to specify the substring, I need to specify the start position. Say this is n, so 1 2 3 4 5 from n till end position. If I say 5, so it will count again from here relative to start position 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we will see practically here. So select substring on let's say name from trivial employee, and in the substring I say start from the second character till the 5th character, and not till the 5th character but start from the second character and take the 5 characters from that index number 2. So let's execute this. Yes, okay, so hg, so this is the second, and from second take 5 characters 1 2 3 4 5. here also and here also. If you want to compare, you can check here. So 1 2 3 4 5, this is how substring works whenever you want to receive or whenever you want to extract the data from the middle of the string. Next is before a particular symbol. Okay, so there is a different way for achieving this. So in this, first we'll check the data. Okay, so this is the record set. I want to retrieve the DEPT only from all these records. Okay, so I will identify this hyphen character. Okay, so now let's say select department name from KBL employee. I'm just printing the department here. Okay, now I want to take the left part of this, so I will specify the left, and here in the left we saw that what we have to pass. So name, column name. So again I will pass department name. After that we will use a char index. Okay, so this is a built-in function. So search expression, we have to specify what character that we want to check. Okay, and the expression to be search varchar and start location. So I will say okay, char index, I will say identify, find this, and from where, from this column department number. Okay, so from the left for this column, and this is a how many characters we want, and what char index will return the position of this character. Okay, so okay, now you can see why it has written department hyphen. Okay, so let's print the value of this position. See, position is a 5. So for the left, what we have done earlier, at column name and the number of characters we want. So CHARINDEX will return the position of this character. So we have to do a -1 whenever we use left part. Okay, so now let's execute this. Yes, it will return all the characters from the left side of this character, hyphen character. Now we can also check, let's try on the name. Let me print this. Okay, name. Now in name we have a 2 hyphen, so let's check what it will return. Instead of department name, I will use department name here, name here. Okay, okay, so it has written Hemant, Aarti, Joy, John. So it has identified first hyphen. Okay, from the left side, first hyphen. What is the position? It's on 7th position, so 7 character. Okay, based on the left function, it will return me a 7 character from the left. So this is the before a symbol. Now similarly, if you want to check for right hand side, now suppose I want to identify a record. So this is a record. I have just updated the record set. Okay, just modify the data. I want to retrieve records after this hyphen. Okay, how can I achieve this? Let's copy this here. Okay, so after this hyphen symbol or at the red symbol, let's take a at the red symbol. Okay, I'll set it. Now I want to retrieve this right hand side data. Okay, so instead of left, I will say right. Okay, here we take at the rate. Oh, okay, so we can see this is not as expected. We wanted to print from here to here, but it is not printing this, it is printing something else. So what it is doing is it is identifying the first occurrence of this at the rate position from the left. That is not correct. Okay, for that we need to reverse this. Okay. Reverse the string. Okay, so ideally it should take the position of at the rate not from the left hand side, it should from the right hand side. For that we have just reverse the string. Now you can see all the values of printing which is available after this at the rate. Okay. So if you want to see more, okay, so what it has done, it has reversed the record. So now position from this to this is correct. I am getting the correct position number at the rate, and this is how it is printing the string. This position index was important in this case. So whenever you want to print this characters after particular symbol in the SQL, you can use this approach. Okay. Now let's go to work on before space. I want to print the column value which is available before space. So this is easy, as similar as the point number, the symbol. Right? So instead of this, we can specify space. Okay, I can see all the values before this space. There is only one space, one space, one space. Okay, so all the values before this space